Enduralock offers patented, next-generation fasteners and connectors that are mechanically locking and highly vibration resistant. Applications of our technologies range from ground-based industries, aircraft, in-space assembly, and satellite docking for refueling and servicing. Enduralock fasteners and connectors reduce the time and cost of assembly and maintenance due to their unique mechanically locking feature, while also providing for reversibility and reusability. We are Enduralock. Our current valuation is $15 million, and we are seeking $750,000 for a 4.5% ownership of Enduralock. Our mission is to be the global leader of innovative fastener and connector technologies in markets spanning from defense, aerospace, and energy. Our vision is to pioneer the creation of a space infrastructure through autonomous robotic fastener assembly and satellite servicing and refueling. Dr. Harold Hess is our CEO and co-founder. He was a practicing neurosurgeon for over 30 years and previously founded a spinal and orthopedic implant company with 13 FDA approvals. He has over 60 patents in his name worldwide. My name is Diana Greenberg, COO and co-founder. I received my MBA with a focus in entrepreneurship, and I have over 12 years of experience in the startup industry. I implemented the company's AS9100 quality system, and I oversee all QA practices. I also manage investor relations and capital raise efforts.
Fasteners in critical aerospace applications are typically safety wire, which is a time-consuming and labor-intensive process. This process cannot be performed in space. There is no current solution that allows for robotic fastener assembly in space. Satellites are currently launched with a finite amount of fuel, and the electronics and sensors become outdated within 2 to 3 years. Enduralock has developed a mechanically locking, high vibration resistant fastener that is reversible and reusable. We offer the only fastener that eliminates the need for safety wire and which can be robotically installed in space. Our satellite docking system is the only solution that provides for refueling and the ability to upgrade the electronics and sensors of the satellite. Enduralock prioritizes research and development efforts, and we have attained multiple U.S. Air Force and Space Force small business contracts for the development of our products. Through these DoD contracts, we have established relationships with key stakeholders and have identified the current and future areas of need for our solutions. Since our inception, Enduralock has raised $4.5 million. Since 2021, we have been awarded over $7 million in non-dilutive government contracts. We were a 2019 NASA award winner, and in 2022, we won the Small Business Administration's inaugural competition for national security and defense. We are currently negotiating a cooperative research and development agreement with Air Force Research Labs to complete ground-based testing of our satellite docking system. Within the next year, one of our customers will be launching their space vehicle that incorporates our fastener technology. Within the next 12 months, we want to complete prototyping and ground-based testing of our satellite docking system. After this is accomplished, our system could be commercialized for use by the U.S. Space Force and by commercial satellite companies. We are currently under contract for further development of our robotic adapter that will enable on-orbit assembly of structures through the installation of our fasteners. Our long-term goal is to provide the ability for autonomous assembly of structures in space, including the autonomous assembly of satellites on orbit. Our products are currently scheduled to be incorporated in the assembly of Bell Helicopter's V-280 when it goes into production for the Army. Our goals include the adoption of our technologies on other defense aircraft as well as on commercial aircraft.
We are on track to do 1.6 million in revenue in 2024, with booked revenue of 1.1 million in 2025 and 500,000 in 2026. We have identified an enormous potential for our products in space, and we anticipate significant revenue growth over the next 3 years as these technologies are validated and commercialized. To date, all of our fundraising has been through equity, which remains our preference. We may be open to the possibility of a future debt round. Use of proceeds includes building a fully functional prototype of our satellite docking system and performing mechanical and environmental testing. With this accomplished, we will be well positioned to partner with a satellite manufacturer that can launch the system for space qualification. The global market is impressive, with the fastener industry valued at just under 100 billion. The aerospace fastener industry alone is valued at 4.9 billion, and the space industry is expected to reach 634 billion by 2026. Enduralock has over 70 years of collective expertise in aerospace fastener design. As founder and CEO, Dr. Hess brings 18 years of startup experience to the table, having been at the forefront of the initial concept design and commercialization efforts for both of his companies. Our disruptive technologies will enable us to establish a space infrastructure, increase the longevity of satellites, and dramatically decrease assembly and maintenance time and costs for aircraft.